We don't know him. Eh? Now, he go see Ayonya. He go see Ayonya. Abunya na ceremony again. Oh, Mama, congratulations.
each. Is it $1 carry? Is it make a change here? Go up to the level. Okay, we go in there. Okay, we go in there. Okay, we go in there. Okay, who there? God bless you, sir. What's up, man?
Yes. The latest bride of people in town, Imagwa. The most beautiful couple in Nigeria. Oh yeah, no, the bride is smiling so much. Whoa, say. Come on down, whoa. Drop it down. Drop it down. Oh yeah. Wanyo. Oh yeah, now let's go, come on. Oh yeah, cheche. Oh yeah, let's see this bride and this husband who can dance more. I want to know who can dance more, both of you. Let's go, come on. Come on down, what you say?
Now over here.
Drop it down. Drop, say. Come on down.
Okay, Billy.
This is the latest couple in Nigeria. The most beautiful couple in Nigeria. Oh my God. Oh yeah, no. Oh yeah, the most beautiful, the most handsome king. What you say? Oh, you're making rain for this couple.
Ladies and gentlemen, Osama is here.
The Cubana group is here. The presenter
is here. Ike Cubana is here.
Ike Cubana is here.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's what I hear you. Yeah, we'll be even though she won't be there. True. What is the reason to keep us on at this moment? Who did you use? What can you use?
Make it rain. Now you make your money, you get the right to spend your money anyhow way you want. You get Cubana, reduce pressure. I'm so sorry, I meant increase your pressure. Increase it. Increase that pressure. Whoa, keep on saying. Oh boy, anybody we don't get money now sleep, we know. Oh yeah, start changing your step for me. Start changing your step, change your step, change your step. Oh yeah, baby, now do shakara. Our wife do shakara. Oh yeah, our wife do shakara. Do shakara. Do shakara. Do shakara. You wanna vibe? You wanna do? You wanna vibe? You wanna do? You wanna vibe? You wanna do? Number one couple in Nigeria. Osha bra something. You know now. You know the vibe. You know the ginger. You know the vibe. You know the ginger. You know the vibe. You know the G. Give me the walk. Give me the two. Keep on. What you say? Oh man, I want $1. Oh man, dollars. Oh man, dollars. Nobody say what Chidi Awanyo. Baba Fego. See, now you make your money. You are permitted to spend your money. Listen, now you make your money. You are permitted to spend your money. You want now spend more time. Spend more time. Spending the walk. Spending the keep on keep on down, come on, get down, keep on down. Give me one style. The bride don't dance finish, oh. This our bride don't start our dance floor. Oh yeah, no. Get down, come on, keep on, please. Alright, you ready now? Go, keep on, sir. What you say? If you're not spraying money, please, can you give space? Okay, Billy. What you say? I give the wrong kitty, give the wrong kata, wanna drink what I drunk up. Let me see you get it the most right now. Keep on one time, girl, come on down. Keep on one time, girl, come on down. Keep on down, come on down. Come on down, come on down. Keep Together, let's join this couple. Let's join them spiritually. Let's join them emotionally. Let's join them psychologically. Let's join them physically. Finally, oh yeah, make a great body. 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 Oh yeah, show me your best dance moves. Show me your best dance moves. Oh yeah, give me the left walk, give me the left walk, give me the left walk, give me the. Oh yeah, now the body walk, the body walk, the body walk, the body walk. Say your neck walk, your neck walk, your neck walk, your neck walk. You can never spray him his next walk. He has more money. Are you ready? Whoa, come on down. Everybody down. What you say, drop it down one time, keep on dropping down. Drop it one time, come on down. Drop, come on. Come on down. One, come on down, bicep. For Mantis.
What the hell are you doing?
I don't understand.
You can do this. What are you doing, man?
Osole, I'm waiting this song now. Osole, ginger me now, ginger me. Oh yeah, ginger me. Osole, ginger me. Osole, ginger. Whoa, come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, who more believer is about to take on stage?
What you say right now?
Everything we see we buy.
Come on, hey. You don't the real 1,000. Mommy, I just see your walk. You don't the red, say. Mommy, Benji. Mommy, feels so. Whoa, come on now, say. Come on, say what? Who more believe why you believe for us?
Now we shut down my day.
Oh yeah, get it.
Oh yeah,
Ladies and gentlemen, we are handing over to Umo Believer right now.
Hey,
Umo Believer is taking over right now.
What you say one time, come on. What you say one time, come on. Keep on down one time. Keep on down one time. Come on now, get it. Moving this white material now. White material. It's not easy to be a white material now. It's not easy. It's a big cook. It's a big bread. It's a big cook. It's a big bread. It's a big survival.
Stop this radio.
It's a big survival. It's a big survival. Come on down. Introducing the new believer. The couple should please move over there for their photo shoots.